Let me ask you something. What's more dangerous than failure? Waking up at 40, stuck in a 9 to 5, and realizing you never even tried. Yeah, harsh, but real. Now imagine this. You're 28, sipping cold brew at a cafe you own, your phone lights up, another $2,500 sale from a business you started on your laptop. You didn't win the lottery, you just chose differently. This video isn't about get-rich-quick nonsense. It's about 5 profitable business models that real people like you, yes, you watching from your dorm, your parents' basement, or your boring office job, are using to build real wealth in 2025. And trust me, the 5th one, almost no one's talking about it, but it's quietly making people rich. Stick around, because missing this could cost you years of freedom. 1. Digital product empire, the modern gold rush. Let's start with the digital product business, and no, it's not too late. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or even niche online courses is like selling bottled water in a desert. Why it's powerful? Zero inventory, 90% profit margins, scales endlessly. Think about it. You create a $19 Notion planner once, and it sells 10,000 times on autopilot. You don't need to be Tony Robbins or Marie Forleo. You just need to know slightly more than the person watching your video or downloading your checklist. The real fear? Trading hours for dollars your entire life when the internet lets you clone your value infinitely. And if you think digital products are good, the next one can literally fund your retirement before 35. 2. High ticket service business. $0 to $10,000 per month. High ticket services are like the cheat codes of entrepreneurship: coaching, consulting, web design, copywriting. If you can solve a painful problem, clients will pay a lot. We're talking $2,000 to $10,000 per client. Don't know where to start? Ask yourself, what do people ask for your help with? For free. Now monetize it. If your friends already treat you like their unpaid therapist, guess what? You've got a business. You could either beg for a 3% raise or close a single $3,000 client this month and cover rent, groceries, and your freedom. But maybe you're thinking, I'm not a service person. I want to sell something real. Don't worry. The next one's built for creators and hustlers alike. 3. E-commerce brand with a niche edge. Welcome to Niche Ecommerce, the business that creates overnight millionaires and also broke dreamers. But here's the difference. Winners pick a niche audience first, then solve one specific problem. Not I sell water bottles, but I sell eco-friendly gym bottles for busy moms who lift at 6 a.m. Why this model wins in 2025? TikTok organic virality, dropshipping with US suppliers, micro-influencer partnerships. And yes, even your dog could be the face of a 6-figure brand now. Seriously. Pet influencers are printing money. But if you want a business that earns without ads, without inventory, and without selling to anyone, the next one will blow your mind. Content licensing / UGC business. This might be the most underrated profitable business in 2025. Content licensing plus UGC, user-generated content. You're not an influencer. You're not selling your face. You're selling content brands can use in their own ads, websites, or social media without hiring agencies. Short-form UGC can pay you $250 to $2,000 per video. Plus, you can license your best content and get paid again and again. No products, no customers, just creativity and a few smart pitches. You know those relatable TikToks where someone spills their coffee and yells Monday again? Yeah, that's a business. But what if you want something even more passive? Something that builds while you sleep? Stay with me, because this final one might just be your ticket to early retirement. 5. Micro real estate empire without buying property. Let me introduce you to the future of real estate. Rental arbitrage and creative real estate. No ownership required. You lease properties, furnish them, and rent them on Airbnb for 2 to 3 times the price. Or you set up glamping sites, rent your car on Turo, or launch a mobile tiny home business. Real people are making $5,000 a month from a backyard tent. The wealthiest people in history owned or controlled real estate. Now you can too, without a mortgage or $1 million loan. And the best part? You can stack this with the other businesses above, creating a portfolio of passive income machines. Listen, no one's coming to save you, not your boss, not your degree, not the economy, but you. You've got information, you've got time, and now you've got options. 5 businesses, 5 paths to freedom. All it takes is starting one. And if you're wondering how to manage your money once it starts rolling in, click the video on screen right now. I stopped buying these 7 things and became financially free. That one's going to show you how to keep the wealth you build, because making money is just step 1.